Hey guys, Nick here. First, don't mind the mess in my garage. Been real busy lately, doing about 50 million different projects like everybody. But I want to talk to you today about the GT40 heads and GT40Ps. Most of you guys will know that the valve springs, stock valve springs on them aren't very good for anything but a stock camshaft. And I didn't see any videos on these, so I figured I would shoot one out there just so it's aware for people for another option. Because of COVID, I couldn't get a couple other brands that I've seen, like Alex's, which is a good brand. They're out of stock. So was TrickFlow. And I didn't want to have my heads machined, so yeah, I opted for these. I'll grab the camera. So, scored these heads at Pick Apart in Calgary for 86 bucks. And then I ended up getting Lunati valve spring kit for them. I'll give you the part number here. Part number is 73926K1. Comes with your springs. You get retainers, Phyton valve seals, and 2 sets of locks. You got the one set here for your exhaust valve, which it's lower where it seats into the groove for the lock. And this one is near the middle. It might be kind of hard to see in the camera. That's because of the design of the heads. This kit was $159 US. And by the time I scored it here in Canada, it cost me about $240 with duty, taxes, shipping, etc. So I got 4 springs installed. I can show you here. We've got exhaust and intake here for the Lunatis, and you can tell they're a little bit of a different height, but here are 2 stock ones. You got a rotator here on the exhaust valve, and this one here is a intake valve, and here's the stock stuff. And I mean, this kit's pretty good because I mean, when you have it apart, you do your valve seals anyway. No special tools required really, except for a valve spring compressor. This is the one I had. I got 2 of them, and this is the better of the 2. They got different styles you can use, depending if it's on a car or off a car. So, you know, the spring, this kit here from Lunati, it's good for 570 lift camshaft, which is way more than what I'm ever going to run, because, well, this thing is just on the street here between Nanton and Calgary, and you don't really need a crazy camshaft just to get around. So I just figured I would share the video with you guys. It's a pretty easy kit to put together. Like I said, no special tools or machining required. And hopefully you guys like the video. And if you do, please like it, subscribe. I'm going to try and post some more videos on stuff out there. I just been busy and kind of hard to find the time. But yeah, you guys have a good one. Hope this helps someone out. Thanks.